The goal for any beginner learning a new language is to find an app that quickly sets you on a path towards speaking. Busuu and Babbel both offer short, impactful lessons centered on real-world conversations. But which one is the right choice for you in 2026? We took another look at both programs to bring you an up-to-date review on both of these popular language learning apps. I want to start by quickly running down how these apps work. Both Busuu and Babbel use a comprehensive approach that develops both receptive skills, listening and reading, and productive skills, speaking and writing, over a structured curriculum. Busuu focuses more on a social learning experience, while Babbel is more self-contained. Both offer several levels and courses that are broken down into manageable 10-minute lessons. The format is diverse in both of these apps, featuring interactive drills. Babbel layers in contextual grammar instruction right into the lessons as tips, while Busuu often has separate dedicated grammar lessons. Outside of the main lessons, both of these apps offer daily review sessions based on spaced repetition, along with extras like games, podcasts, and digital magazines. Babbel recently added a new AI conversation partner called Babbel Speak, and Busuu has a community-driven correction feature. Babbel offers a few different plans ranging from a couple of months all the way up to a year-long subscription for around $8 to $15 a month, after discounts. Busuu is generally priced slightly higher. For those looking to learn multiple languages, Babbel also has a one-time purchase lifetime plan for around $300, which includes access to all 14 of their languages. Busuu has a similar but generally more expensive lifetime plan. In fact, we'll keep the description below updated with all the latest promotions and discounts we can find for both apps, so be sure to check out the description before purchasing yours. Now let's dive into the positives for Busuu. Busuu's strongest feature is its community-based speaking practice. Learners can submit practice exercises for writing or speaking to be corrected by native speakers, and they can in turn help correct others. For learners who struggle with consistent speaking practice, this feature alone makes Busuu worth considering. Another advantage for Busuu is its video clips. Busuu incorporates short video clips of native fluent speakers into their core lessons, which aids visual learners and provides cultural context. This integration helps learners associate words with real-world scenarios and is a significant plus over Babbel. The final pro for Busuu is its structured and well-designed courses. Busuu is known for its clear, comprehensive curriculum that aligns with the common European framework of reference for languages. This provides a sense of progression and goal setting that some learners prefer. Now that we've touched on the positives for Busuu, let's flip the tables and discuss some of the cons of using Busuu. The first downside is the reliance on community for correction. While the community feature is a strength, the quality and speed of feedback can vary depending on the activity level of the native speaker community for the language you're learning. Second, Busuu has fewer languages available than Babbel. Busuu offers 12 languages while Babbel offers 14. This is a minor point, but it could be a drawback for polyglots. Now for Babbel's positives. Babbel's strongest recent feature is Babbel Speak. In the past, we knocked Babbel for not incorporating more conversational practice, and now that we've tested out this AI conversation partner, we can say we no longer have any issues with that. It uses natural language processing to guide you through realistic scenarios from beginner phrases to fluent interactions. Another advantage is how Babbel handles grammar. They found a sweet spot, avoiding dense, boring instruction while not skipping out on grammar entirely. Grammar is smartly layered into lessons with quick one-slide teaching points and small pop-up tips. This provides a fundamental grasp of speech patterns without overwhelming the learner with too much details. The final pro is Babbel's user experience and bonus features. Outside the main lessons, the app offers games, podcasts, short audio lessons, and a digital magazine. The mobile app and desktop versions are quick and easy to navigate, offering one of the best user interfaces in the space. Now, let's discuss some of the cons of using Babbel. The first downside is the limited audio content outside of the core lessons. While Babbel has short, enjoyable audio lessons, there's only about 12 of them, and they stop after the newcomer course. For learners who benefit greatly from immersive audio, this lack of content in the higher levels could be a drawback for you. Second and last point, Babbel does not include video clips in its core program, a feature that Busuu excels at. While you'll find plenty of images you can start to associate with words in context, integrating short videos here and there would be a valuable addition to Babbel's instruction. Alright, now time for the final verdict. Which language learning app is actually worth it? We think the answer is Babbel. It's the best all-around option for most beginners and intermediate learners looking for cost-effective, comprehensive, and well-structured learning. The lessons are short, the spaced review system is excellent, and the new feature, Babbel Speak AI, is great for simulated conversations. Busuu is the better choice for learners who prioritize social interaction, video content, and want some human-corrected speaking and writing practice. However, for the reasonable cost and the sheer comprehensive effectiveness of the lessons, Babbel gets our seal of approval as the best choice for the beginner learner. For a full breakdown of all the features, pricing, and our own hands-on experience with the apps, check out our full written review. Just Google Guide to Fluency Busuu versus Babbel. By the way, we'll be giving away a language learning app to one of our lucky subscribers. Just check out the details down below in the description to learn more. Super easy to enter, just like, comment, and subscribe. That's all for now. Best of luck, everyone. Bye for now.